Namaskaram. This is Astro Brinda from Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to share some simple remedies related to your fortune stars. Every star can be activated by connecting with the sixth star from itself. We say that star as Sadak Tara, the star which can be very favorable to that person. For example, if an individual's birth star or lagna star is Ashwini, what will be the favorable or favorite star for Ashwini people, Ashwini born people or Ashwini lagna point people? Sixth star from itself. So for Ashwini, Arudra will be the sixth one. Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigashira, Arudra. So we need to connect with the energy of Arudra. When do we connect? Where does the Arudra fall actually? In Gemini. That is between June 15 to July 15 or July 17. So on that day, in that period, in the lunar month of, or else in the lunar month of Gemini, on Arudra Nakshatra day, or else any month, if you couldn't connect with that specific month, any month Arudra Nakshatra day, try to visit Chidambaram, the Nadarajar, and try to worship Kalabhairav on that day. Chant Kalabhairav Ashtagam thrice on that day. You can offer the bell in that bell to any temple. To any temple you can offer a bell. Temple bell. Feed the stray dogs, unattended, struggling stray dogs on the roadside or nearby. For Bharani, if your moon stands in Bharani, or else if your Lagna point falls in Bharani, in Aries, which is a fortunate star for Bharani. Punarvasu. When does the Punarvasu falls? Which month? The same Gemini month, June 15 to July 16, and one Pada falls in Cancer also. That is July 15 to August 17. See where your Punarvasu falls. On that day, and you can't find where the Punarvasu falls. So you don't worry about that. Better you do in Gemini month, June 15 to July 15. On Bharani Nakshatra day, between that period, do some offering in any Sri Ram temple, Sri Ram Mandir, or even you can perform Abhishek. Take 2 cat made of anything, brass is preferable. Keep it in the temple and offer turmeric water on those cats. And keep it there and come. Or else you can take it under any tree, nearby tree. Let it be the cats made of plaster of Paris also. You can offer turmeric water. You can pour turmeric water on those cats and come on that day. You can donate sugarcane, eek, or even sugarcane juice for anyone on that day. If your star is connected with Kritika Nakshatra, Pusha will be the fortune star. If possible, you can visit Tiruparangundram in Tamil Nadu on Karkadaga Mash, the Karkadaga month. On that Mashya, when does it falls? July 15 to August 17. In that period. perform milk abhishek, donate goat to anyone Pusha is people tree. So offering turmeric water, add a pinch of turmeric in a bowl of or in a bucket of water and pour it under the people tree. Or else you can even laminate the people leaf. You just take a fresh people leaf, dry it by keeping in any book. At Engage we might used to do, hope you all remember. We will dry the leaves in the books and notes. Do that and then laminate it and keep it in hall or in puja room or in your workplace also. In the same period you can even plant a people tree and offer water, or you can grow people tree nearby house or in any park nearby or on the roadside also, whichever is possible. If your star is connected with Rohini, Aslesha will be the fortunate star. Wear a dirty shirt on Aslesha Nakshatra day and see dirty dress which is not that much clean, washed well. If you know some snake trainers, one who helps the public by catching the snakes and dropping it in the forest or leaving the snakes in the forest, help some such trainers. Or you can even donate to the department which take care of snakes. Papaya fruit or papaya tree. Drumstick tree is connected with Aslesha. Either you can donate or you can plant on that day. When does where Aslesha falls? August 15 to September 16. Or else the lunar month of Leo. Or else any month Aslesha Nakshatra day. Offer water to those trees on every month of Aslesha day, or donate drumstick or papaya fruit. If your star is connected with Mrigashira, the fortunate star will be Maga. Worship the Mushik Vahan, especially the Mushik in Ganapati temple. Banyan tree is connected to the Maga Nakshatra. Either you can grow banyan tree on the same lunar month of Leo, August 15 to September 17. You can plant a banyan tree on that day and offer water to it, grow it. You can attend any pregnant living being, let it be human or let it be any animal or anybody. You can attend pregnant living being, living creatures. You can serve them. All these things seems to be, you will feel surprised. Why such? These activities are connected with the stars directly, and your subconscious mind will go and connect with that superconscious energy, and the thing gets activated. Your stars, you can energize your mind by connecting the stars like this way, very easily. You can even offer Bengal gram mixed with jaggery and distribute it to the children or the people nearby. You can keep it as a prasadam for that mushik and then distribute to the devotees, anyone standing over there, or you can bring it to your home and distribute to the people or friends nearby. If you are born in Arudra Nakshatra, or if you are connected with Lagna point in Arudra Nakshatra, Purva Falguni will be the fortune star. Jackfruit. Donate jackfruit. Make jam or kheer with jackfruit and distribute to the dear ones or whomever you meet on the roadside or in the temples on that day. Same lunar month of Leo, or the period between August 15 to September 17. Worship Vasavi, Devi Vasavi, Lord Vasavi. Or you can have the picture of Vasavi. Just Google Vasavi, image of Vasavi, HD image of Vasavi, and have it with you. You can plant even lemon tree on that day, or a water lemon tree or jackfruit tree on that specific day. Punarvasu Nakshatra. The fortunate star for Punarvasu Nakshatra is Uttar Falguni. It's a bull. Have a bull image or feed a bull. You can distribute the kheer made of rice, raw rice. Do abhishek for Shivling on that day. Offer paneer in the temple. Madeshwar is directly connected with Uttar Falguni. So worshipping Madeshwar on that day, you can, by worshipping Madeshwar on that day, you can directly connect with the energy of Uttar Falguni, which directly bless you with the Punarvasu star. For Pusha Nakshatra people, the fortune star is Hasta Nakshatra. You donate jalra to anyone, the cling sound which comes out from the circular amulet shape. Circular shape. It's an instrument actually, jalra. You can donate it to any mutt or any temple where they often do bhajan. Offer the products or the food materials, food things made by wheat. Worship Lord Sun. Daily open your eyes, seeing your palm by chanting the mantra Karagre Vasate Lakshmi. Just Google the mantra Karagre Vasate Lakshmi Karmadhya Saraswati. So you can daily chant and open your eyes by seeing your palm, both the palms. If you are born in Aslesha, or if your Lagna star falls as Aslesha, Chitra Nakshatra will be your fortune star. So planting a Vilva tree on Chitra Nakshatra day nearby your house or in any nearby temple or on the roadside, and growing it, or offering turmeric water, bucket full of water or a bowl full of water, adding a pinch of turmeric to it and offering to that tree, specific tree on that month, that particular nakshatra day. September 15 to October 17 or October 17 to November 17. In that period you can plant this tree, Vilva, the divine tree Vilva. Or you can even have a Vilva leaf pressed in the book or note and laminate it. Worship Vishwakarma or have the photo or image of Vishwakarma with you. Watch the videos of tiger often. You can even have tiger brass statue on that day. Worship Kamakshi, Lord Kamakshi, Devi Kamakshi also, which helps you to receive the energy of Chitra Nakshatra. Donating gemstones, because Chitra is gems. Donating gemstones, any gemstone, glittering ornaments, anything that glitters. Even if not gems, even if you cannot afford gem, you can even gift a small stud or a small ring made of any metal. Let it glitter. You can donate it to any girls, underprivileged women or underprivileged girls. Who doesn't mistake you particularly? Keep that in mind always whenever you do some remedy. I'll continue with other nakshatras in the next video. Stay blessed. I am doing this video one who doesn't understand Tamil as per your request. So kindly adjust with the English slang. English is not my mother tongue actually. I am not speaking in English daily. I communicate only in Tamil. Very rarely in Hindi. English and Hindi are not my main language. So kindly adjust. Thank you so much. Love you all. Astro Brinda again from Coimbatore.